Good morning, student. Today start the new lecture for class 11th topic trigonometric function exercise 3.4. Before video we are explain so many topics related to the class 11th. Today start the very interesting topic. The topic is trigonometric function related to the angles, sum and differences of angle and transformation formula. The topic is sum and differences of angles, transformation formula. Transformation means addition, a plus b, a minus b, multiplication. So many applications apply in this chapter. Algebraic sum of two or more angles. Algebraic sum of two or more angles. Suppose two or more angles. This angle is A and this angle is B. The sum of both angle is A plus B. Application of A plus B, A minus B, A plus B plus C, A minus B minus C means algebraic sum of two or more angles is called compound angle. Is called compound angle. Proof in this chapter. To first apply the addition, subtraction, multiplication, so many conditions in this chapter. First is addition formula. Addition formula means related to the A plus B. Suppose two angle A and angle B, sum of two angles. Define the trigonometric ratio. First, sine A plus B. The sum of two angles A and B related to the sine. Sine A plus B is equal to sine A cos B plus cos A sine B. Okay, student. Number 2, sine A minus B. First sine A plus B, sine A cos B plus cos A sine B. Second, cos A plus B. Cos A plus B means cos A into cos B minus sin A into sin B. Third, tan A plus B. Tan A plus B means tan A plus tan B upon 1 minus tan A into tan B. Okay, student. Fourth, cot A plus B. Cot A plus B means cot A into cot B minus 1 upon cot B plus cot A. There are four formula related to the addition formula: sin A plus B, cos A plus B, tan A plus B, cot A plus B. One example related to these questions. The first question is, find the value of sine 105. Okay, student. We know that the angle is 0 degree, 30 degree, 45, 60, 90. But we are find the value of sine 105 is related to this formula. Okay, apply the factor of 105 in the form of 60 degree plus 45 degree. Okay, student. 60 degree and plus 45 is equal to 105. 60 is related to A and 45 angle is related to B. So sin A plus B is equal to sin A cos B plus cos A sin B is equal to sin A की value sin A sin 60 degree cos 45 plus cos A cos 60 degree sin B sin 45. We know that the value of sin 60 degree root 3 by 2, the value of sin 45 1 by root 2, the value of cos 60 1 by 2, the value of sin 45 1 by root 2 is equal to root 3 upon 2 root 2 plus 1 upon 2 root 2 is also equal to, take the LCM, 2 root 2 to root 3 plus 1. This is the answer of question. The value of sine 105 degree is equal to root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. Next example next, find the value of cos 75 degree. Okay student, cos 75 degree, cos 75, cos 30 plus 45 is equal to cos 75. We know that the formula of cos A plus B is equal to student cos A into cos B minus sin A into sin B. Applying this question, cos, the value of A is equal to 30 degree, the value of B is equal to 45 degree. So cos A plus B is equal to cos A cos 30, cos B cos 45 minus sin A sin 30 sin 45. We know that the value of cos 30 degree root 3 by 2 into 1 by root 2 minus 1 by 2 into 1 by root 2 root 3 upon 2 root 2 1 upon 2 root 2. Take the LCM student, 2 root 2 root 3 minus 1. This is the answer of question cos 75 degree. Right then. Next example student, tan 105. Find the value of tan 105. Factor the value of tan 105 students, 60 plus 45. 60 plus 45. We know that tan A plus B is equal to tan A plus tan B upon 1 minus tan A into tan B. Okay student, tan A is equal to 60 degree, tan B is equal to 45 degree. Apply this question, tan 60 plus 45 degree is equal to tan A tan 60 degree, tan B tan 45 degree upon 1 minus tan 60 degree into tan 45 degree. Okay student, the value of tan 60 root 3 plus 1 upon 1 minus root 3 into 1, root 3 plus 1 upon root 3 minus 1. Rationalize the both side, numerator and denominator, root 3 plus 1 into root 3 plus 1. A plus B, A plus B, A plus B का होल स्क्वायर, रूट 3 plus 1 का होल स्क्वायर अपॉन स्टूडेंट A minus B, A plus B. We know that A plus B, A minus B is equal to A square minus B square, रूट 3 का स्क्वायर माइनस 1 का स्क्वायर, रूट 3 plus 1 का होल स्क्वायर स्टूडेंट A plus B का A square plus B square plus 2AB अपॉन 3 minus 1. 3 plus root 3 का स्क्वायर 3 plus 1 plus 2 root 3 upon 2 is equal to 4 plus 2 root 3 upon 2. 2 is common, 2 plus root 3 upon 2. 2 cancel. The final answer is 2 plus root 3. 2 plus root 3. Very important question. Prove that cos pi by 4 minus x into cos pi by 4 minus y minus, this question related to the NCERT, minus sin pi by 4 minus x into sin pi by 4 minus y is equal to sin x plus y. Again student, prove that cos pi by 4 minus x into cos pi by 4 minus y minus sin pi by 4 minus x into sin pi by 4 minus y is equal to sin x plus y. Take the side of LHS. LHS side, cos pi by 4 minus x into cos pi by 4 minus y minus sin pi by 4 minus x into sin pi by 4 minus y. Let pi by 4 minus x is equal to a and pi by 4 minus y is equal to b. Put equation first. Okay student, cos a into cos b, pi by 4 minus x is equal to a, pi by 4 minus y is equal to b. Put in this equation first. Cos a into cos b minus sin a into sin b. We know that cos a cos b minus sin a sin b is equal to student cos x plus y, cos a plus b. Okay, we know that cos a plus b, the value of a is equal to pi by 4 minus x plus the value of b is equal to pi by 4 minus y is equal to cos pi by 4 plus pi by 4 minus x plus y, minus common. Next, cos pi by 4 plus pi by 4, 2 pi by 4 minus x plus y. Can see cos pi by 2 minus x plus y. Before video we are explaining student, cos pi by 2 means 90 degree, cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta. So cos pi by 2 minus x plus y is equal to sin x plus y. RHS, hence proved. Write them. Next question student, prove that sin x plus y upon sin x minus y is equal to 10x plus 10y upon 10x minus 10y. Okay student, take the side of LHS. LHS sin x plus y upon sin x minus y. We know that sin, the value of sin x plus y, sin x plus sin x into cos y plus cos x into sin y upon sin x minus y, sin x into cos y minus cos x into sin y. Okay student. Next, sin x plus y is equal to and sin x minus y. Prove that 10x plus 10y upon 10x minus 10y. In this question, apply the condition dividing numerator and denominator of cos x into cos y. Divide the numerator and denominator by cos x into cos y. Okay student, sin x cos y plus cos x into sin y upon, divide the value of cos x into cos y upon sin x cos y cos x sin y upon cos x into cos y. Okay student, cos x into cos y upon sin x into sin y cos y, cos x into cos y upon this value cos y cancel, sin x upon cos x is equal to student 10x. Any problem? Then cos x into cos y upon cos x into sin y, cos x cancel, sin y upon cos y is equal to 10y upon, next sin x cos y upon cos x cos y, cos y cancel, sin x upon cos x is equal to student 10x. This value is minus. Next, cos x cos y upon this value, cos x cancel, sin y upon cos y is equal to 10y. RHS, hence proved. Right. Important formula student. First, sin x plus y into sin x minus y is also equal to sin square x minus sin square y or cos square y minus cos square x. Okay student, this is very important formula. Number 2, cos x plus y into cos x minus y is also equal to cos square a minus sin square b or cos square b minus sin square a. Very important student, cos x plus y into cos x minus y is also equal to cos square a minus sin square b or cos square b minus sin square a. Sin x plus y into sin x minus y is also equal to sin square x minus sin square y or cos square y minus cos square x. Some example related to this formula. Sin square, prove that sin square 6x minus sin square 4x is also equal to sin 2x into sin 10x. Okay student, prove that sin 2x into sin 10x. Take the side of LHS. Sin square 6x minus sin square 4x, a square minus b square. Sin square x minus sin square y is also equal to sin x plus y into sin x minus y. Apply this question. Sin 6x plus 4x into sin 6x minus 4x. Then sin a plus b is equal to sin 10x into sin 2x. Hence proved sin 2x into sin 10x, the side of arches. Write down student. Next topic, case number 3rd, transformation of product into sum or differences. Means transformation of the sum and difference in the product form. The first question formula, sin x plus y is equal to sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. This equation first. Next, sin x minus y is equal to sin x cos y minus cos x sin y. This equation second. Transformation of product, transformation, apply the question number first and second. Equation first plus equation second. Both equation are ready. Both side, equation first and second. The equation first and second adding x plus y plus sin x minus y is also equal to, again student, equation first and second adding sin x plus y plus sin x minus y is equal to sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. Next, sin x cos y minus cos x sin y, plus and minus both are cancel, same, plus and minus. Sin x cos y is equal to 2 sin x into cos y. This is new formula. Means 2 sin x into cos y is also equal to sin x plus y sin x minus y. Similarly, equation first minus equation second. Equation first minus equation second, sin x plus y minus sin x minus y. Sin x cos y plus cos x sin y minus, this term is negative or minus minus plus. Sin x cos y minus sin x cos y cancel. Cos x sin y is added to the 2 cos x sin y. Second formula. Okay student, write them. Next, cos x plus y is equal to cos x into cos y minus sin x into sin y. This equation, student, third, cos x minus y is equal to cos x into cos y plus sin x into sin y. This equation fourth. Again apply the condition, equation third plus equation fourth. Adding the equation third and fourth, the LHS side is cos x plus y plus cos x minus y is also equal to minus and plus is cancelled, sin x sin y minus sin x sin y plus both are cancelled, cos x cos y reduced to the 2 cos x into cos y. New formula generate. Okay student, similarly equation fourth minus equation third. Equation fourth minus equation third, apply this question. Cos x minus y minus cos x plus y is also equal to cos x minus y, equation fourth minus equation third. Equation fourth minus equation third, both are the cancelled, minus minus plus, then 2 sin x into sin y. Okay student, write them. Two examples related to this formula. First, 2 sin 3 theta into cos theta. Solve the question. 2 sin 3 theta into cos theta. This question related to 2 sin x into cos x. 2 sin x into cos x is equal to sin x plus y plus sin x minus y. Applying this question, sin x, the value of x is equal to 3 theta plus sin 3 theta minus theta. Sin 3 theta plus theta 4 theta plus sin 2 theta. This is the answer of the question. Next example beta related to this question. Cos 75 degree into cos 15 degree. Okay student, cos 75 into cos 15. We know that 2 cos A into cos B is also equal to cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. In this question, cos 75 into cos 15, divide 2 is divided and 2 is multiplied in this question. So 1 upon 2 into 2 cos 75 degree into cos 15 degree. In this question, 2 cos A into cos B is equal to cos A plus B, 75 plus 15 plus cos 75 minus 15 degree is also equal to 1 by 2 cos 90 plus cos 60 degree is also equal to 1 by 2. The value of cos 90 is 0, or the 60 degree is equal to 1 by 2 is also equal to 1 by 4. Right there. Next formula, case number 5, very important. Sin C plus sin D is equal to cos C minus sin D, cos C plus cos D, cos C minus cos D. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 formula related to the before cases, case number 4, or we have proved that case number 4, 2 sin x into cos x is also equal to sin x plus y plus sin x minus y. Similarly, suppose the value of x plus y is equal to a and x minus y is also equal to b. X plus y is equal to and x minus y is equal to b. Apply in this question x plus y is equal to c and x minus y is equal to d. Then 2 sin x, both equation are adding, y cancel, 2x is equal to a plus b, then x is equal to a plus b by 2 and y is equal to student a minus b by 2. Applying these questions, sin c plus sin d is equal to sin c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. Okay student, next sin c minus sin d, 2 cos c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. Next cos c plus cos d, 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. Cos c minus cos d, 2 sin c plus d by 2 into sin d minus c by 2. So there are four formula. Sin c plus sin d is equal to student 2 sin c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. Sin c minus sin d is equal to 2 cos c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. Cos c plus cos d is equal to 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. Cos c minus cos d is equal to 2 sin c plus d by 2 into sin d minus c by 2. Solve the examples related to this formula. First of all, write them. Prove that sin 5 theta plus sin 3 theta upon cos 5 theta plus cos 3 theta is equal to tan 4 theta. Take the LHS side. Sin 5 theta plus sin 3 theta upon cos 5 theta cos 3 theta. Suppose student, this question related to sin c plus sin d. C is equal to 5 theta, d is equal to 3 theta. Sin c plus sin d का formula, sin c plus sin d is also equal to student 2 sin c plus d by 2, 5 theta plus 3 theta by 2 into cos 5 theta minus 3 theta by 2. Next, cos 5 theta plus cos 3 theta. Again apply the formula, 5 theta is equal to c, 3 theta is equal to d. So cos c plus cos d is equal to 2 cos 5 theta plus 3 theta by 2 into cos 5 theta minus 3 theta by 2. Next, 2 is cancelled. Sin 5 plus 3, 8 theta by 2 into cos 5 minus 3, 2 theta by 2 upon cos 8 theta by 2 into cos 2 theta by 2. Both terms are same. Cancel numerator and denominator. 2 4 ja 8, 2 4 ja 8 sin 4 theta upon cos 4 theta. Sin upon cos student tan 4 theta. RHS. Write them. Prove that. Next question very important related to NCERT. Sin x plus sin y upon sin x minus sin y is equal to student tan x plus y by 2 into cot x minus y by 2. Okay, take the LHS side. Sin x plus sin y upon sin x minus sin y. We know that, apply this question in this formula. Sin c plus sin d, 2 sin x plus y by 2 into cos x minus y by 2. Okay student, upon sin c minus sin d, 2 cos x plus y by 2 into sin x minus y by 2. 2 is cancel. We know that sin upon cos, sin x plus y by 2 upon cos x plus y by 2. into cos x minus y by 2 upon sin x minus y by 2. We know that sin upon cos, sin theta upon cos theta is equal to also tan x plus y by 2 into cos upon sin is also equal to cot x minus y by 2. This is Archer's side. Solve each and every questions related to the this exercise 3.4. Again students solve the all questions right there.